Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Sharma and I have completed my post-graduation data analytics course from Ematicus and I'm currently a part of Amticom Solution as product analyst. So before joining Ematicus, I was working as an automation engineer at Cognizant Solutions. But after working 1.7 years, I felt like I'm not exploring something out of the box and I wanted to explore and learn more how data is actually in the real world. So I wanted to pursue something where I can research, explore, bring new ideas into and learn about AI and ML and other technologies. So that's the reason side by side I have choose Ematicus after a good amount of market research. So the journey was actually good. I exactly got what I was looking for, as Jeevan sir was a trainer and he have got the real world exposure. Like most of the time I have worked with the real time projects as well during the class, and he also provided me the opportunity to present, and it's not always like a spoon feeding. He always made me to explore, learn, and then he have corrected me where the things went here and there. So it's a really good platform, whereas even we improvise our soft skills, as Ganesh sir was a part of it. So it was a complete combo and a person will be complete industry ready. So as I mentioned earlier that already I was working at another place in another domain where I was restricted that okay, the set of work is given and I'm supposed to complete and submit it. But right now, as I'm a product analyst, I get a chance to work with leadership, higher leaders. But before itself at Ematicus, due to soft skills and everything, I improvised my communication and the presentation skill. That how are you supposed to present yourself when you're leading a team, and teamwork skills. As during class sessions also, initially we used to have group projects and things where some projects were led by me. So from that exposure as well, I was able to grasp much of the leadership skills, communication, presentation and things. So from that I can say that Ematicus have given me a complete transformation with technical and the combo of soft skills. Yes, I would definitely recommend Ematicus because this is the right platform. The trainers are really excellent. You ask any doubts, they'll just clarify n number of times without even thinking that why should I repeat the things and etc. Even if you try to have a session on the weekends, they'll be ready. And apart from this, it's not only restricted like for example at other institute, what they would do, they'll pick some set of projects which are already existing and they'll be like, okay, this model works like this and these are the things. But at Ematicus, you will be learning how to explore what exactly the market is looking for and what exact technical skills you should have. Not only this, as we have the mock interviews and everything, which would be completely based on the real scenarios. It's not like fixed question, okay, what is SQL, nothing like that. They always try to get some set of combinations like, in this scenario what would you do. So this would help us to crack many of the rounds when we are actually giving an interview. So yes, I would recommend Ematicus because it's the right place to grow. So placement was an excellent part because as they have mentioned that it's a guaranteed placement, which where even the placement department was always following up with us in when we were about to finish our course. Before the final mock itself, they started to come up with a set of companies and helped us how to apply, how to prepare, how to build your resume and everything. So every step was getting monitored and we were getting evaluated. Not only this, as even from the soft skill trainer, we were getting evaluated that this is how your resume should look, this is how you should present yourself. And we got some demo mock as well to crack our HR interview. And with this, the domain interview was getting stronger because of mocks and other things. So the complete placement team was really helpful.